Putting this brace in because I've cut the brace, like the building's not going to fall down, all right, but just to make sure everything's getting done nicely, I'll just replace the brace in a different place. So it's connected there, so I run it through here. Like so. That just all joins it together there, up there, joins it together down to the floor. Nail it off. Bob's uncle or cousin or brother. DIYs are probably going on. What the? What is he rabbiting on about now? Okay, let's put that brace in. That wire is for oh yeah, that's for the TV, must be a TV PowerPoint aerial. That's good. Okay, now I'm ready to sheet, so let's start sheeting, Chriso. They are taking my advice and taking out the cornice, so they'll have time, because I'll be screeding this tomorrow and then I'll be away 5 or 6 days for it to dry, then I'll be waterproofing it. I am a super fan these days of waterproofing on top. All your pre-fall is there. It's brilliant. You haven't got a water-filled, saturated screed. If you screed on the floor, God, that's terrible. It's cool. That's good. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm just checking people to make sure I am ready. Yep, right, ready to sheet. So that's going to be cool. It's a tap inside your cistern. It's going to be a cool toilet, I tell you. See you soon. This is Chriso. Subscribe to my channel, people. You will learn heaps. I do bathrooms most of the time. Sometimes I do a floor if people want me to do their floor, but I like to do bathrooms mainly because, you know, I'm getting on a bit. I don't need to be on my hands and knees all the time laying floors. Bathrooms, you have a bit of a change. Floor, walls, it's all good. We'll see you soon. Bye.